Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is Alex and we're here for a palette bingo, and of course I'm always scratching my nose because of the dust. Let's get the elephant out of the room. This is the first video I am uploading with the background. Real quick, we finally were able to save up enough to do window treatments, which excited me so much, you guys. I love how all the rooms came out. Obviously, we have a lot of windows. We didn't do all the windows, but I did do bedrooms and living space priority. So this is part of it. I know, like right there, that's driving me nuts. But this window is a double window and there's 4 panels. And then it's a double rod thing. So there's curtains behind this that are sheer. So we're making it work. I love how they came out. It's very subtle. I didn't want anything bright in the background because I knew this was my background. But this is the first video we're filming with this. So you're going to see videos in the next week or 2 with the old $5 blinds. We no longer have that. We have this, and I'll do my best to try to fix this situation here. But with that desk here, it just kind of, makes sense. So anyway, today we're doing palette bingo with this palette. This is the second palette of the Zodiac collection for BH Cosmetics. This is the Love Signs. This was gifted to me by my lovely friend Drea for Christmas, and I have been dying to use it. I have not done anything with it but swatch it, so I figured let's do palette bingo with it. And why not? Since I got a new background, might as well work with it. So there's 24 shades. I'm not going to include the highlighter because I'm using a different highlighter today anyway. But how I'm going to do this is I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That way I'm not just doing all shimmer shades or all matte shades. I'm going like this. So I think, there I am now. I think I'm going to start with Capricorn as my number 1, and then 2, 3, and then just go this way. So I have my trusty little wheel here. So we're going to go out 5 shades. So the first one is 5. Okay. So number 5. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Scorpio shimmery shade, which is pink. I've been trying to not do more pink looks because I've been doing a lot of pinks, but we'll see. All right. So the next one, where are you? We are going to do 18. So here we go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, which is Taurus's matte, which is a matte brown. All right. Okie dokie, which we are swatching right there. Move this thing out of the way. Next shade. Number 1, which is Capricorn. The shade right here. Oh, okay. Here we are. Shade number 4. Please give me something good. 11. Okay, doke. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, which is Leo. And the last shade, 16. Which I have a feeling I know which one it is. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Which is Gemini's matte. Okay. So we ended up with 2 mattes and 3 shimmer shades. So there you guys. Well, well, well. Let's get started, shall we? I've already primed my eyeballs as usual. This palette is ginormous. Let's move all this stuff over. Okay, so obviously we're going to start with the first matte shade. All right, we're going to wing it because I don't know what to do. So I'm going to grab the first shade, which is the first matte shade, and that is Gemini's matte right here. This one right here. And I'm going to use that as my crease. Oh, no, not Gemini's. Taurus's. Sorry. This one right here, which is Taurus's matte. And I'm going to put that in our crease. Ooh. This is the first time I'm using this palette, so I don't know if I need to do anything special with these eyeshadows or not. We're going to make it work. I know that the matte looks very pigmented and it is powdery when I put my brush in there. So it is very exciting. We got some window treatments, you guys. We have roughly about 22 windows in this house, and we've only done 14 of them. It is very expensive, and it took me a good 2 weeks between returning and ordering online and picking and choosing. I mean, I've gone to so many stores to try to find the perfect rods. I'm just going to blend that out. The perfect rods and the sheer ones, and then the ones that go on top. And it's like, then you find ones that you like, but the one store doesn't have all the ones you need. So then you got to call around for other stores and drive around. It's a whole thing. It's a whole thing, you guys. I am going to grab, I think I'm going to use that as the inner corner. So I'm going to grab this other matte shade, which is the Gemini, which is more of a red toned right there. I'm going to put this on the outer V and in the crease. And this one is again very pigmented, but it is powdery. I'm guessing all of these shades are this way from this palette, which is fine. Out of all the matte shades, I got two that are very similar. I feel like every bingo, don't I get burgundy shades? Or is it just me? And I don't even like purposely do it. It just happens that way. All right. So now we are going to, I'm going to do the blue. So Capricorn is the shade that I got, one of the shades. So I'm going to use my finger, and we're going to put this on the lid. You guys thought I was going to use the pink one, huh? No. I actually wanted to use this blue one. All right, let's go. And I'm only going to bring it up from there. Oh, I see all that fallout under my eye. So these eyeshadows definitely have fallout. And I didn't wet this either, so I'm sure if you wet these eyeshadows, they're going to be even more vibrant. And my understanding is these are a whole new formula, because I used to own BH Baked eyeshadows like 4 years ago or so, and they were so rough and dry. I didn't like them, so I decluttered all of mine. Let me just blend this out. Oh, that blends away. That's camel poo. That blends away if I don't wet it. I guess I'm gonna have to leave it alone. Now for the inner corner, I'm going to use the pink shade, which was Scorpio. Yes, it was Scorpio is the one I ended up with. So we're going to use this in the inner corner with a detailed pencil brush. I'm gonna first wipe away all this hot mess under here. Okay. And then I'm going to grab the pink and just put it in here. I'm going to end up looking like a baby shower with the pink and blue, but that's all right. That is a-okay. And then the last shade I didn't use was this. It was Leo, right? Yes, it was Leo. This shade right here is going to be my lower lash line, but I'm going to blend it out with the Gemini reddish shade. So I'm going to grab Leo with the same brush and put this on the lower lash line. Oh, that is pigmented. I'm not going to bring it all the way out to the outer. It's just in the center, basically, is what I'm doing. Oh, I'm always getting it in my eyeballs. I'm going to grab more of Scorpio, which is that pink one. I'm just going to blend these two together to kind of make it look more seamless. All right, and then we're going to blend it out with that Gemini red shade right here. Just going to buffer it out just a little bit. the outer V and under it to kind of bring it all together. This is some serious pigment in these shadows. Wow. I would have never come up with this look. Definitely not on my own. I'm going to grab more of that Leo and just kind of pronounce it a little bit on the lower lash line. There we go. All right, you guys. So now I'm going to do a wing liner, some lashes, mascara, my lips, and then I'll come back and show you the final look. Let me look. It's like hard to wipe these off. Wow, that red one is really, really pigmented. So I'll be right back and then we'll see the final look. All right, you guys, so this is the final look using this palette right here with the shades that you've seen me pick out of here. It's a good quality palette. Now I understand why everyone raved about the first one. Now I am interested in the first one. I do like it. Would I have chosen these shades on my own? Absolutely not. I would have never chosen a baby pink and a baby blue together because it always reminds me of a baby shower. The gold actually doesn't look bad with that reddish brown. And the blue, it's not, it doesn't, once you put everything together, then it comes together. Because if I didn't like do my liner and my lashes, I think I wouldn't have liked this as much as I do now. But honestly, I would have never chosen this on my own. The only thing is, I feel like if I blend like this out too much, then the blue kind of like flakes away. So I would recommend either a glitter glue or wet the shadows, these baked shadows, because it will blow away. But once you set everything and don't touch it, it should be fine. I think it looks fine. What do you guys think? So obviously you guys are going to let me know what you guys think because I need to know whether this was good or not. Thank you guys so much for watching this palette Vingo, and I hope you guys enjoyed the background. Because guess what? It's staying for a very long time until I decide to change my curtains again or the area that I film. So anyway, thank you guys again for all of your support. I will link this palette down in the description box. If you have any suggestions or ideas for the next palette bingo you guys want me to use, a specific palette, let me know down in the comment section and I will make sure to use that next time. I'm trying to use up all the new makeup that I've gotten, things that I haven't played around with, things that I've never shown you guys or have never touched because it's fun to try new things that I haven't really spent the money on this year. So if you know what I mean. So I will catch you guys in a video most likely tomorrow. And don't forget that a smile is the best makeup a girl can wear. Bye guys.